Hi, my name is Rich, and I like cool stuff. So if you like cool stuff, you're in the right place. Some of the stuff you're gonna see here is some serious strength test on my new product, the tool swing. That's gonna get crazy. There may be some out there already. Not sure when you're watching this, but they are amazing. I'm gonna have all kinds of space-saving ideas on here. A whole series of legit shop hacks. Did you see anything there you'd like me to go into more detail about? Let me know down in the old comment. Along with some kind of dangerous but super fun tests on the tool swing, like will it hold 20,000 pounds? Will it take 200 pounds to drop from the ceiling? Other than all that, here's some things coming soon. A complete shop renovation. I'm gonna redo this whole thing. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna do some ultimate workbench builds. I got a workbench build in my head that's gonna blow your mind. Also gonna do some motorcycle builds. I got welding carts that I'm gonna build. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna automate the tool swing. You're gonna see that on here. Hit a button, pop up. You're gonna wanna see that. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, what experience do I have? Well, I grew up on a farm. I've been building cool stuff my whole life. Plus, I am the tool swing inventor, manufacturer, product tester, website developer, video editor, t-shirt designer, marketing manager, chief idea guy, head of new product development, and much, much more. I do it all, I guess what I'm saying. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I have a ton of really cool stuff coming up.